Hi, I'm Anastasia and welcome to Propeller Ads. Before we start our today's video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Here we share practical advice, showcases and uncover media buying secrets. Now, do you need auto optimization? There are scenarios when you definitely should use it, like this. First scenario. You run multiple campaigns and it's hard to optimize them manually. Sounds logical. In this case, auto-optimization can be your additional pair of hands. Let the tools do the routine things and you take care of something they cannot cover, say creatives or competitors' research. This issue can be solved by the most popular pricing model beloved by our advertisers, CPA Goal. CPA Goal excludes inefficient zones and increases bids for those that work well. Second scenario. You want to manage your budget smarter and spend less, especially when it comes to ad placements that don't bring any good results. To solve this, we have special pricing models that control your budget. And say you can stick to the Smart CPC model or use rule-based optimization feature to control your budget and stay within the limits you want. Third scenario. You have new campaigns that require testing. Auto-optimization tools can help you define the most efficient ad placements and set a fair price for them. During a test, you will gather some data to use for further optimization. The solution here is CPA Goal, the pricing model for efficient testing. With its help, you can get more quality traffic from the very start. Plus, for this case, you should also try the multi-format campaign. When you create one, you also get two same-like campaigns, interstitial and on-click. This way, you get more traffic and see which format works best for you. Okay, but are there any scenarios where auto-optimization doesn't fit? Yes, even though machine learning algorithms can improve campaign performance, sometimes you should be careful when using them. Here is a situation. Your offer has a complicated conversion flow or your offer is expensive. Basically, this means that you might get fewer conversions. Since auto-optimization tools need some time to gather data and learn, fewer conversions make the process really long and costly. However, CPA Goal is already advanced enough to deal with this kind of scenario. Still, complicated conversion flow requires more attention, so be sure to do some extra work with such offers. So, even though you should be careful with auto-optimization in some scenarios, in general, it is efficient. It works great for zone and budget management, testing new campaigns, and saving your money. We definitely recommend giving it a try. As always, don't forget to press the bell and subscribe. Stay tuned and happy optimizing!